Hi everyone. Today we are looking at how to set up Windows without creating a Microsoft account. On the very first screen, when it's asking you to choose your country or region, we have to open a command prompt window. To do this, just click the Shift key and F10 key on your keyboard at the same time. For some keyboards, you may also need to click the Fn key as well. Once the command prompt window opens, click on the window and then you have to enter this command, OOBE \bypass NRO. Once you have typed this command, just hit enter and your computer should restart. Once your computer has restarted, just continue with the setup as normal. When you get to the screen asking you to connect to a Wi-Fi network, you should see an option saying I don't have internet, or sometimes it may say continue with limited setup. By clicking on this option, you skip having to create a Microsoft account, and you will be asked just to make a local account instead. Once the setup is done, you can then just connect to Wi-Fi as normal on your computer. Now for some of you, you may have already connected to the internet, and so you may be stuck on this screen, which gives you no option but to sign in with a Microsoft account. Fear not, as we can still get past this. So just like in the first method, we need to open a command prompt window by clicking the Shift and F10 keys on the keyboard. For some keyboards, you may also need to click the Fn key as well. Once the command prompt window opens, we need to type the same command as before, OOBE \bypass NRO. Just hit enter and the computer will restart. Once it restarts, it will take us back to the beginning of the setup. We need to once again open a command prompt window and type in the command ipconfig /release and hit enter on your keyboard. Your command prompt window may show something slightly different from mine and will likely say media disconnected, which is perfectly fine. You can then just close the command prompt window. We then just proceed with the setup as normal, and we should now see the I don't have internet or continue with limited setup option once again. So like before, we can just click this, and once again we have skipped logging in with a Microsoft account, and you can just go ahead and create your local account now. Once you've completed the setup, you can just go ahead and connect your computer to your Wi-Fi as normal. Now for a few of you, you may not be able to open a command prompt window at all during the setup. If this is the case, this means you have a computer with Windows S mode, and unfortunately, there is not really an easy way to skip creating a Microsoft account with an S mode machine. There are ways you can change to a local account after you've signed in with a Microsoft account on a Windows S machine. If you would like me to make a video on that, just comment down below. I hope this tutorial has worked for you. If it has, please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.